want me to roll this out, I would do that now next.
Okay.
I don't know is, I don't know if I can kiss those plates off. I've never ran it.
No, you're fine. This is UPM stock number 11192. It is a 112-ton Reis hydraulic 4-post spotting press built in 1998. It has a capacity of 112 U.S. ton. The daylight opening is 47.2 inches. The table surface area is 51.1 inches by 39.37 inches. The ram surface area is 51.1 inches by 39.37 inches. The distance between the columns front to back is 41 inches. The max capacity of the ram plate is 8,992 pounds. The max die weight on the table is 17,985. It has an oil capacity of 52 gallons. It has a swivel down ram that swivels out 180 degrees. It has a slide out bolster. It is equipped with the wax ejection system and also a lower ejector.